Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about smart sales, smart marketing, smart demand generation. Well, this is about two airlines whom I made literally fight against each other on an advertising war at the airport. हुआ क्या था कि I was given an account to service, and this account was a low budget airline whom the management didn't have much expectations from. They said try कर ले, business आता है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आता तो it is okay. So on those grounds I went to the airport, did a site visit, understood what all airlines have already advertised with us, did my homework, fixed an appointment with this airline which was about to be launched, and met the marketing head. As expected, I got a very lukewarm response from the head who said, airports are not our cup of tea. We are looking to advertise at railway stations and platforms because we are a low budget airline and that is our target audience. I somehow managed to convince them, saying that okay, no problem, you can have a courtesy visit at the airport with me, and if you like something, then we can have a conversation. So we went to the airport and I knew where to take them. I took them to the check-in counter of an airline which was not a low budget airline, and right above the check-in counter was a translite which this airline had rejected, saying that they already have presence, so why would they advertise? Obviously, logically. And they did not know that Kanav Agnihotri will come and offer it to a low budget airline. I looked at the marketing head and I said, sir, do you want this? He said, absolutely, give it to me if it's available and the site visit is over. I said, done sir, sign it for a year, give me an advance and it's all yours. We went back to their office, completed the formalities, he got the creative done, I submitted the papers at my work, and I sold a site which was not sold for quite some time, and also to an airline which was not supposed to advertise at airport as per my management. After 2 to 3 days, my manager calls me up early in the morning, Kanav, what have you done? I said, what happened sir? He said, you have advertised at that check-in counter, and that airline managing director or a senior management person is calling me and telling me to remove it because they have become a mockery. People are clicking photographs and saying that look, a low budget airline has advertised right above the check-in counter. You get this off by lunch, otherwise we might lose their entire business. I rushed to Gurgaon office, I met the marketing head and I tried to convince him that please sir, let that airline take that site. It has become a big issue and I am in trouble. He was kind enough to listen to me, and we went back to the airport again next day, and this time I smartly offered him 5 to 6 pillars around the seating area, but a bit far away from that airline check-in counter at the same rate, because he was compromising and leaving that site, so I had to also give him some value. And he was happy because now he had 5 to 6 sites together, that also next to that airline, which was not a low cost airline. After 2 to 3 days, again I got a call from my management saying that this is not working out and they are not comfortable at all, and they want that airline to surrender those sites and they will take all those sites right away. I said, sir, that is not possible. I have already done an exercise and offered to them again. But what happened was that these two airlines had a conversation then, and which is the best part of this entire deal, that they decided that from now on, neither they will advertise at their check-in counters or nearby place, nor the other airline will do so. It reached to that level. But I was pretty happy. I managed to increase my billing and my company was happy because that airline had to take some sites in some other city as a compensation. So was this smart sales, smart marketing, smart demand generation, or smart understanding of the business? Let me know. I also tell my friends and team members that never underestimate the power of a salesman. If he or she wants, they can sell it, right? Take care, and I will see you with new stories and videos. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.